start again. It's a redskin.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Alicia Jones, and I'm back again with a new video. And in today's video, I will be installing this hair that I got sent from Amazon. You guys, this is some boho box braid hair, and I love it. This is so good for summer. So if you guys want to see how I did this style, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished product and I am loving it so much. Let me tell you why I love it so much. This is the perfect hair for summer because it's not super duper long, you guys. This style, once I finished with my braids, it took me like 40-45 minutes tops. Like, it was so easy to install. So this is what the hair looks like up close, and as you guys saw how I did my braiding pattern, I just started like the plait On each side I did 2, and then once I got up I started doing 3 plaits, and then in the back I just did the connecting method. So from now on, if I do box braids, I'm not gonna do that method, but I do that because my hair is so thin, so my parts look extra big. So I just do the zigzag method as if I would do my regular crochets. So let me show y'all, and you guys let me know, like, can you tell? Because if you can't tell, then I'm gonna stick with it, but because I have not like looked at the back of my head like that, and my camera's about to die. All right, you guys, so I'm back. So I would say like this hair is like a 1B, but you can't really tell. I feel like it matches my hair pretty well. This is just what it looks like with how I did the parts. So what I did was I spaced the hair a finger length apart, and then I just went in and filled up any spaces that I had left over. And you guys, this is so cute. I really like this hair. So all the links and the information will be posted down in the description box, but let me give y'all a few deets that I wrote down about the hair. This is a $40 hairstyle. It is 12 inches. I got 8 packs and 16 braids come in a pack. So this is about how much I have left. I have a pack and then a couple of braids left over, and yeah, so I got 10 braids in the front, and then I got 5 like zigzag braids in the back, and then this is just what the hair looks like up close. So each strand literally is a braid, and then it has this, it has the 2 curly strands. It's only 2 on each, and that's for every braid that I noticed, and then they all got the little curly part at the end. So yeah, you guys, this is super cute. I would definitely recommend getting this hair, and also I would recommend doing this style, because if you like trying to go on vacation, you want to go, you want something quick. The longest part of this style was me braiding it, and this literally, like I said, took 40 to 45 minutes. Like, it was that quick. I'm like so impressed. But handmade crochet hair, I'll have all the information linked down below. But you guys, like, this is so cute, and it's not super duper long. It's not gonna be getting annoying. So cute. So if you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to hit me up in the comment section. Like this video, subscribe if you found it helpful. Did you try this hair? Have you tried any boho box braid hair? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. You could have tuned in to any other channel, but you chose to tune in to this one, and I thank you guys so much for that. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.